New Holland introduced their two CR models of full rotary combines in 2002. The capacity of the new models was reported to be 20% greater than that of the semi-rotary TF machines they replaced. There were two models, the CR960 and the flagship CR980, seen here cutting barley. Header widths started at 20 foot, although most machines were fitted with the largest 30-foot option on this CR980. Three different header types were offered. The high-capacity header was the standard model, and the extra capacity header had extra knife to auger distance. The knife position could be altered from the cab for different crops and conditions on the alternative vari-feed header. Styling was similar to the conventional straw walker CX machines, but the workings were very different. The CRs employed a twin rotor system used on American New Holland combines since the mid-1970s. This consisted of a pair of contra-rotating rotors running from front to back, which carried out all thrashing and separating. The feed elevator conveyed the crop into the rotors, where rasp bars, separator fins and agitator fingers thrashed out the grain. The straw passed to the rear discharge beater and concave grate, which removed any remaining grain before the straw was either chopped or left in a swath. Iveco Cursor engines provided the power. The CR980 featuring a 10.3-litre unit, which gave out 428 horsepower. A power boost of 27 horsepower was available whenever required and helped when unloading on the go. The 10,500-litre grain tank could be unloaded in under 2 minutes, and the top auger section and covers folded away for transport. New Holland's Smart Steer automatic guidance system was available for the CRs. This monitored the crop edge and steered the machine accordingly. When equipped with a precision farming package, yield and moisture were recorded to allow yield mapping to be carried out.